Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, in this video, we will be showcasing the amazing capabilities of Muslim GPT, the AI bot built to chat with humans about Islam. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to his tech channel for more content like this. ora.hs.com. Muslim GPT always answers your questions with love and peace, and it follows the rules and teachings of Islam. Whether it's a question about dua, science, morality, or Islamic names, it will always provide you with references from the Quran and Hadiths. So, feel free to ask anything related to Islam. Let's start our conversation and ask some Islamic questions from Muslim GPT and see how it gives the answer.